Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, hi! So today I'm going to go over with you guys how I clean my brushes. If you guys have been curious as to how I keep this organized chaos looking pristine, then please keep watching the video. And keep in mind, this is something that I do with the big brushes. For example, I deep cleanse them. I would say, to be honest with you, probably about every 2 weeks. With the eye brushes and stuff like that, I tend to have a lot of repeats. So, I usually cleanse them about, well, when they all get when they all usually are dirty. The only brushes that I do not spot clean using the Parian Spirit are my Smith brushes. Smith Cosmetic brushes are natural haired brushes, so you cannot spot treat them with a brush cleaner like this. I did used to use Cinema Secrets, but I personally like Parian Spirit a lot more, so I started using that. In any case, if you guys want to see how I keep my brush collection looking pristine, please keep watching the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Also, side note and quick disclaimer, this is not me trying to show off these brushes or anything like that. I have a ton of makeup brushes because I used to be part of a makeup brush subscription box. The one that I used to use, I don't recommend anymore. So, yeah. And that was probably like my first obsession with makeup, was makeup brushes. So I have a lot of them, and if you have a lot of makeup brushes, you know how tedious it can be to wash and clean them. So that is why I have repeats on a lot of brushes. I probably shouldn't say that proudly, huh? Enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. we thought we were done. Let me show you how I clean my big makeup brushes.